Victoria Falls Stock Exchange listed Caledonia Mining Corporation reported a 35% jump in revenue to US $50 million during the second quarter to June, compared to US $37 million over the same period last year. This was driven by higher gold production and firm prices, which the Chief Executive, Mark Linmonth, says is likely to continue to the close of 2024.
I'd like to see a continuation of robust production, good cost control. And I think we do need to recreate the track record of delivery. And then, as I said, we'd like to see Blanket continuing with no surprises. I'd like to see the economic situation in Zimbabwe continue to be as stable as it is at the moment, which means that the incidence of foreign exchange losses has diminished, and we hope that continues. And then, as I say, early in next year, I'd like to see us publish an updated study on the Bilboes project to a higher confidence level.
Caledonia is targeting to produce between 74,000 and 78,000 ounces this year for Blanket Mine. During the quarter, the unit produced 20,773 ounces of gold from 17,436 ounces achieved in the corresponding period. Linmonth says proceeds from the Blanket will finance development of the Bilboes project.
Bilboes project is a very strong project. It's big, 2.5 million ounces of reserves and resources. It'll be producing about 1.5 million over a 10-year life of mine, with a very low all-in sustaining cost, below $1,000 an ounce. So that means the payback is very short. It's less than 2 years. So what we're doing now is we're now upgrading that PEA to a higher confidence level of a feasibility study. That will be done in the first quarter of next year. Then at the same time, we are now working with a London-based advisor to refine our thinking about funding, in particular the ability of the project to carry debt funding. And because it is so cash generative with such a short payback, we're confident that a high proportion of the funding can be met with debt, and thereby reduce the equity dilution.
Konapo, ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.